Hi, welcome to Your Maths Wikipedia. Today we are going to learn about lowest common multiples. I have already explained about highest common factors in my previous video. Don't forget to watch that video. Link of the video is given in the description below. Now here we are going to learn about L.C.M, which is known as lowest common multiple. Before we start, let's see the meaning of a multiple. What do you mean by a multiple? A multiple is the product of two or more than two numbers. After knowing the meaning of multiple, let's see what is a common multiple. If two or more numbers have same multiples, those multiples are called as common multiples. Now let's see what is lowest common multiple. The smallest number which is multiple of 2 or more than two numbers is called lowest common multiple. Now let's see some of the examples. Find LCM of 5 and 10. The number is 5. First, let's start listing out the multiples of 5. So the multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and it goes on and on. And of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and it goes on and on. Now after listing the multiples, let's see which are the common multiples. Here 10 we can find in the both sides, so 10 is common. Similarly we can find 20 also in both sides, which is also common. 30, 40, 50, and it goes on and on. In this way we are finding common multiples. Now let's write the common multiples. 10, 20, 30, 40, and it goes on and on. And among these numbers, which one is the lowest number? That is called lowest common multiple. So the least or the lowest common multiple is 10. Now let's see another example. Find LCM of 2, 3 and 6. Numbers are 2 and the list of multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. Here students, we can't say that there is end while we write the multiples, because multiples, it goes on and on. It is not like a factors that has got specific number of factors. Here in multiples while you write, it goes on and on. You cannot list all the multiples together. So please be careful with that, okay? And for 3, we have got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and it goes on and on. Similarly for 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and it goes on and on. After listing out the multiples, let's see which numbers are common. Here we can see 6 in all the columns. Similarly, we have got 12s also in all the columns, and 18 is also there. Now which are the common multiples? We have got 6, 12 and 18. Now among 6, 12 and 18, which one is the lowest? 6 is the lowest number. So we can say that lowest common multiple is 6. I hope you understood about what is LCM. Now let's try to find LCM by using prime factorization. Here is the question. Find LCM of 4 and 6 using prime factorization. Again, same like H.C.F, here also we have got two methods. Method 1 is we are going to factorize 4 and 6 separately. So let's factorize 4 by using prime factorization. And remember students, you are going to factorize in the same way that you have factorized in finding H.C.F. So let's start factorizing. 2 2s are 4. And remember, we factorize unless we get 1. 2 1s are 2. Now we stop here. Now let's move for 6. 6 is an even number, so we start factorizing with 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is not divided by 2. 3 itself is a prime number, so we divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3. Now let's list out the factors. Prime factors of 4 is equals to 2 times 2, and prime factors of 6 is equals to 2 times 3. After listing out the factors, now let's highlight the common factors first. Here you can see that 2 is common, which is in the both side, and remaining 2 and 3 are not common. So while we find LCM, the highlighted or the common number, we will take it once. Here LCM of 4 and 6 is equals to 2 times 3, which equals to 12. Now students, please pay attention over here. The highlighted number, the common number, we will write only once. Okay, highlighted number we will write once, and the remaining numbers are different, so we take both the numbers. Even the numbers are different, we take both the numbers. This black 2 is the highlighted common number, which we have written once, and 2 and 3 are the remaining numbers. While we find LCM, we have to write the remaining numbers as well. So 2 2s are 4, 4 times 3 equals to gives you 12. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now let's move on with the next example. Find LCM of 16, 24 and 32 using prime factorization. We are again going to use method 1. That means we are going to factorize all these three numbers separately. Let's factorize 16 first. 16 is an even number, so we'll start factorizing by 2. 2 8s are 16. 8 is again an even number. So 2 4s are 8, and again 2 2s are 4, and finally 2 1s are 2. Now we have factorized 16, so we will factorize 24 now. 24 is again an even number, so 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Here 3 is prime number, so we'll divide it by 3 only. 3 1s are 3. Now let's go for 32. Again 32 is an even number. 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and finally 2 1s are 2. Here please be careful students. Here see, all the remaining number is 1. So you are going to factorize until you get all the number 1. Okay, we will not stop anywhere. Now let's list out the factors. Prime factors of 16 is equals to how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have listed all the 4 2s. Then for 24, we have got 3 2s and 1 3. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Similarly, prime factors of 32, we have got how many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have listed all the 2s. Now let's highlight the common factors first. 2 here is 2 is in all the factors. Similarly, another 2 is also there. Finally, another 2 is also there. Now we have got separate or the different numbers. So 3 times we have got common. So we will take here as 1s, here also as 1, and here also as 1. So LCM of 16, 24 and 32. See, 2 times 2 times 2. These 3 2 we have taken from the common side. 2 times 2 times 2. After that, in this green color 2 and 2, 2, 3, 2 is written here. The common number is 2 and 2, so we have taken 2 only once. 3 is a different number, so we have written that 3 also. And remaining 2 is coming from another number, that is 32, so we have taken that 2 as well. While we write LCM, we do not leave any numbers. We will write all the numbers that has come as a factor. So the common factors, we will write it only once, like we have written these all common numbers one time only. Similarly, 2 is there 2 times, so that also written one time only. 3 is there, we have written 3 also, and remaining 2 also we have written here. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 2s are 96. So the LCM of 16, 24 and 32 is 96. Now let's try to find out LCM by using method 2. find LCM of 9 and 18 again using prime factorization. But here we are using now method 2. Here in method 2 we are going to take both the numbers 9 and 18 together. So let's factorize it. Now here we have got 9 and 18. 9 is not divided by 2. Even though 9 is not divided by 2, 18 is divided by 2. So we will divide 18. 9 we will bring as it is. For 18, 2 9s are 18. Now both the 9 are divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Now again we will divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Now LCM of 9 and 18 is equals to, we will multiply all the factors. 2 times 3 times 3, which gives us 18. Now let's see another example. Find LCM of 12, 18 and 24 using prime factorization. Again we are using method 2. So we will take 12, 18 and 24 together. We will factorize them together. Since all the numbers are even, all the numbers are divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18 and 2 12s are 24. Now again we will divide it by 2 because 6 and 12 is divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6. Since 9 is not divided by 2, we write 9 as it is. Then 2 6 are 12. Again here 6 can be divided by 2. So we still divide it by 2 first. 3 is not divided by 2. So we bring as it is. 9 is also not divided by 2. So we bring 9 also as it is. And finally for 6, 2 3s are 6. Now all the numbers 3, 9 and 3 are not divided by 2. So we will divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. Still 3 is there. So we will again divide it. 3 1 will copy as it is. 3 1s are 3 and 1 also we copy as it is. Now one more thing students over here. While we find LCM, factorization method continues unless we get all the number as 1. If we are factorizing 2 numbers, we must bring 2 numbers 1. And if we are factorizing 3 numbers, all the numbers must come as 1. How many numbers we are multiplying or how many numbers we are factorizing, that much numbers must come 1. So unless you get 1, you cannot stop factorization. Okay, this is only in the case of LCM. Now the LCM of 12, 18 and 24, again we are going to multiply all the factors that we have brought over here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which becomes 72. So the LCM of 12, 18 and 24 is 72. Now I hope you all are clear about finding LCM also. If you have any queries, don't forget to mention in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe, stay strong. Bye bye.